All right, so this is the 50-yard zero with the Privy Partisan M193 ball. We're going to run out to 100 and see where it's at 100. Okay, we're going to do some field style shooting. Sitting position at 100 yards, 5 rounds, Privy M193 with the new NDS 55 and NDS 56 sight set for the Ruger American Ranch. Let's go see how we did. So here's our 50-yard zero off the bench at 50 yards, Privy Partisan M193 ball. We did a 6 o'clock hold, so point of aim, point of impact matches up right there at 50 yards. When we go out to 100 yards, first I shot sitting with a sling, leaned up against a post. And not a bad group for sitting, but I can definitely do better. Then we went to the bench, and off the bench we ended up getting a 2 5/8 inch group. Once again, 6 o'clock hold, front bag, rear bag. I believe this gun can do better than this. I've just got old eyes.